Hi, good afternoon. Signing in from BIEC, Bangalore International Exhibition Center. I represent EM Efficient Manufacturing magazine, and we have today with us Marcus from the Peters Group. He would like to share his journey and his experience in India and at BIEC. Good afternoon, Marcus.
So, good afternoon.
How has been your experience in India, and how is Bangalore treating you at BIEC?
So far, so good. Very, very nice. I think we are quite happy with the weather, and the exhibition was very good so far. The first 2 days are very satisfying. A lot of visitors, good contacts, some really interesting new leads. So, very good.
Thank you so much. And if you would like to share some journey details of yours, of your organization and your partners here in India, it'll be great.
So we at Peters are in this field of electronics, coatings for electronics, special coatings for electronics for more than 50 years. We are a German-based company, privately owned. And my first visit here to India is already 30 years ago. So yes, we have a long history also here in India from our company. What we do is products for PCB manufacturing, for bareboard manufacturing, and the biggest segment is even conformal coatings for assembled PCBs to protect them against humidity, all kind of influences from harsh environments.
That's lovely. So how has been the footfall in the past 2 days here in BIEC? Have you been able to connect to your, target audience?
Yes, I came already last weekend, so I used also Monday, Tuesday to visit some customers here in the area and some potential customers, of course. And yes, as I said, the exhibition so far is very good, very promising. So we are very satisfied with also the setup here with our booth, with our partner, Kevin Electrochem. They really did a very professional job by setting up this booth. We just started our cooperation with them 2 years ago. As I said, we are already for 30 years in India, but now I think we have really a very professional partner here with Kevin Electrochem.
Thank you so much. And if you'd like to share anything about, your experience apart from Bangalore, India, and the normal economic, the break even that's happening across the globe.
Yes, so I like to come to India. As I said, I started already 30 years ago to come here. I like the atmosphere. I like this very nice people. And I had some really good Indian food also. Really very affordable also. I was at one of these cafes here. Quite interesting experience for me from Germany.
Thank you so much, Marcus. Thank you so much. And signing off,